With the launch of the 482, Balance Catamarans redefined expectations for performance catamarans under 50 feet. Blending impeccable design with premium build quality, she's a formidable sailing cat with a refined onboard experience. InBalance was commissioned by the founder of Balance Catamarans as his personal boat. She features nearly every factory option. Today we're with her second owners, and we're going to take a closer look at some of the features that make this such a special boat. I'm Conor Dugan with the Multihull company. Welcome aboard InBalance.
InBalance is a lightweight, performance-driven catamaran featuring retractable daggerboards and a powerful, versatile sail inventory. Her bow area features tons of deck storage and large trampolines supported by her aluminum longeron with built-in anchor access. There's also fender storage, utility space with cabin ventilation, and an oversized deck hatch for sail locker storage. InBalance is equipped with a full arsenal of Ullman sails, including fully battened tri-radial square top mainsail, new in late 2025, furling jib with sunbrella UV protection, screecher with Facnor FX 4500 furler, asymmetrical furling code D, new in 2025, Nylite asymmetrical spinnaker. Sail handling is designed to be ergonomic and easy when you're short-handed sailing. You'll notice all these control lines that run back to this upper helm position, each to electric winches. I've got visibility of my sail shape and my course track, and I've got instrument visibility up here, along with push-button winch control down here at my feet. InBalance features the iconic adjustable helm position, so I can drop this helm all the way down here. I've got visibility through these large tempered glass windows, so in bad weather, I've still got visibility of my course track, and I still have instrument control right here, regardless of your weather. The cockpit features aqua traction decking and plenty of comfortable seating, along with a telescoping table that drops to form a daybed. There's storage underneath the settees, with the lower helm seat featuring a top-loading electric cooler. Her salon is bright and inviting, with seamless entry through large sliding doors. InBalance features gorgeous wood joinery and premium sunbrella upholstery. Easy storage access makes life aboard InBalance comfortable and enjoyable. The U-shaped galley features oven with microwave function and induction cooktop, basin sink, and drawer fridge and freezers replaced in 2024. We'll also find a large nav desk with Victron power management. InBalance is equipped with nearly 20 kilowatts of lithium batteries, 1,600 watts of solar, and 9 kilowatt dual integrals for rapid battery recharging. Making our way into the owner's hole, we'll find tons of storage with systems designed and installed to be accessible when you need them and hidden when you don't, such as the Spectra water maker and Samsung washer dryer. The master bath has the most comfortable shower you'll find on a catamaran under 50 feet, with bright natural lighting and bench seating. To forward, we have the master cabin with large island berth and all-weather ventilation. InBalance features walk-in access to the forepeak with hanging locker storage. On the port side, we'll find guest cabins and even more storage. The guest head is separated from the shower, offering privacy and comfort to guests.
That's going to do it for our walkthrough of InBalance. If you have any questions, you'd like more information, or you'd like to schedule a walkthrough, please reach out and I'll be happy to assist. I'm Conor Dugan with the Multihull company. Thanks so much for watching.